hope you are ready because we are going anyway.
We're going, baby. Let's do it. Hey, can the tower hear me?
No.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
It's like a video game.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at this.
Right away here, we leave the airport. We're over the FAU campus. There's the new stadium on the right side. Here we're coming up on Lighthouse Point. This has a lot more in the intercoastal canal ways. Our left, the Hillsborough Inlet with the lighthouse on the point there. This is definitely the Fort Lauderdale area, downtown, just in front of us. Here you get to see the downtown buildings nice and clear. Riverfront's just in front of us underneath that condominium building. It'll end up being on our right. We're coming into Port Everglades. Very cool. The rest of the Port Everglades here. You can see the shipping freight containers just to the south there. Here you can see the discoloration in the water as the intercoastal mixes with the ocean. So here's your Fort Lauderdale beaches. All your different resorts and things. A lot of kite surfers out today.
So how fast are we going?
Right now we're cruising along about 90 miles an hour.
Wow.
Here's the Hillsborough Mile, or the Millionaire Mile as they call it. This house on the left is under construction. I've been told it's Adam Sandler's house. Quite a few people out on it, just like the other beaches. Deerfield fishing pier sticking out in the water in front of us. White building with the green windows, the kind of short one we're going to be flying over. It has private rooftop swimming pools on the top of it. Boca Raton Inlet just on our right here, the mouth of the rat as they call it. Leads right into Lake Boca Raton. Over on the left here, this big pink tower with the pink buildings underneath it, Boca Raton Resort. Here we're coming up on Meisner Park. Did we enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Had some good fun, got some good pictures and things.
No, thank you so much.
Cool.